Hello, this is Pamela and I will be showing you how to solve for the double elimination for 11 teams. So what you're going to do first is find the number of games and the number of buys. And the formula for the number of games is n minus 1 times 2. So your n over here is the number of teams, which is in our case is 11. So to input that, it's going to be 11 minus 1 times 2. 11 minus 1 is 10. Then 10 times 2 is 20. So there's going to be 20 games. So now that we have our number of games, we're going to find out our number of buys. So the formula for the number of buys is p squared minus n. So to solve for the buys, you are going to subtract the number of teams from the next higher perfect power of 2 than your given number. So in our case, it's 11 teams, right? And there's 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. So obviously, we are going to subtract 16 from 11. So 16 minus 11 is equals to 5. So there's going to be 5 buys in the first round of the game. So now that we have our number of games and our number of buys, we can now proceed to the actual eliminating. So for now, we're not going to use, or I'm not going to use numbers to label the teams since it will be confusing later when we start to count the number of games and when we're going to label the winners. So I'm just going to use letters. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we have our 11 teams. Now next, we are going to label the teams that's going to be our buys. So these are going to be the teams who will not be participating in the first round. So I'm just going to label C, F, I, J, and K. So there we have our 5 buys. And now that we have labeled them, we can now start with the eliminating. So the first round, for the first game, it's going to be A and B. So we can label here game 1. And obviously there's going to be a winner. So we can also put here winner 1. Then next is D and E, which is our second game. And then again, there's going to be a winner. So winner 2. Then next is G and H. There's going to be a winner, number 3 over there. And then label this as game 3. So now that we are done with the first round, we can now go to the second round and start with the buys. So we can start here at the end. So let's go for J and K first. There's J and K. Then there's going to be a winner again. And this is game 4. Then after that, I over here is going to be competing with the winner of game 3, which is either G or H. So do this and that, and then there's going to be winner number 5 here. And then this is game 5. And then same goes over here in F. F is going to be competing with the winner in game 2. So let's do that. There. Winner number 6. And game 6. And then lastly, C is going to be competing with the winner of game 1. And that's game 7. So since this is a double elimination, of course there's going to be a competition between the losers. So over here I'm going to put a bracket. Now this is for the loser from game 1, and then we can put another one over here. This is loser for the game 2, and then over here loser for game 3 on that side. So what's going to happen over here I'm going to label this as game 8. So what's going to happen in game 8 is that loser 1, which means the loser from game 1, so loser 1 and loser 6 will compete. So I'm just going to put this here so that we can indicate who will be competing, or we can just label here loser 6. Same goes to game 9 and game 10. So for game 9, loser 2 is going to compete with loser 7. And put it so. And then for game 10, loser 3 and loser 4 can compete. Here. Then can do that. And the winner for game 8 is either going to be loser 1 or 6, but we have to put it label here so that it am not confused. And then same goes over here in game 9, just winner 9. And over here also winner number 10. And then now that we are done, since wala na may losers na magamit, we have to go back over here in the right side. So what's going to happen next is the winner from game 7 and the winner from game 6 will be competing. So that's going to be our game 11. And then again, there's going to be a winner, so we also have to write that down, winner 11. Then also over here, from game 5 and game 4, there's going to be a winner also, which is going to be winner 12 from game 12. Then now that we are done, we also need to go back to the loser's side so that winner 10 can have someone to compete with. So over here in the losing side, our game 13 will be between winner 8 and winner 9. And then again, there's going to be a winner between the two, and we label them as winner 13. And then winner 10 will be competing with the winner from game 5. From game 5. So this will be our game 14. And then loser, we're going to put here loser 5. So winner 10 and loser 5 will be competing. So, and the winner in this match will be labeled as winner 14. So since we have more losers in the right side, we can still proceed with the losing side. So over here, winner 13 can compete with loser 12 from game 12. So put it here. And we're going to put this libog there. And this is going to be our game 15. Now same goes to winner 14. Winner 14 has to compete with someone, and they're going to compete with the loser from game 11. There. So I can undo this. There. And this will be game 16. And again, we label, we're going to label winner 16. Yeah, and same over here, winner 15. Forgot. Since there are no more losers, we're going to go back here on the right side. So the winner from game 11 is going to compete with the winner from game 12, and there's going to be a winner number 17, since this is game 17 na. Okay. So the winner from game 15 and the winner from game 16 will compete. Then this is going to be winner 18, since this is the 18th game. There. Since we have a loser from game 17, the winner from game 18 and the loser from game 17 will have to compete. So we can write that down. Loser 17. I also have to label it, of course. There. This is going to be our game 19. And lastly, the pinaka-last na jud nga part, which is game 20, since our number of games is 20 ra. So we can do that. So the winner from game 19 will be competing with the winner from game 17. There. there. And whoever wins is going to be the champion. This is game 20. Then, yeah, we have our winner. Yay! And that's all. Thank you.